Hi, it's Pravash here. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, and today's video is gonna be a bit different. It's because of this. It's because of this. This is actually my old laptop. I used to edit videos on this one. Actually, this is my brother's old laptop. He used it for like 7 to 8 years, and then I used it for like another 4 to 5 years. Right now, it has some issues with the power cable, so I really don't want to throw this away because it has some quite history with us. It is a 13-year-old laptop, so I'm gonna I'm gonna buy a power cable for that, and I thought I'm gonna show you guys where you can buy computer parts in Colombo. So this will be an interesting video for some of you guys. So stay tuned and enjoy. Hey guys, so today was a pretty special day for me. I set out on a mission to find a charger for my 13-year-old laptop. Now I know that might sound like a bit silly, but this laptop is like a family heirloom to me. It's been through so much with my brother and me, and I couldn't just let it go to waste. So I parked my trusty old bike next to the Unity Plaza, where we usually come to buy computer parts and accessories. I went to a few stores there, but they didn't have the charger I needed. I was starting to feel a bit discouraged, to be honest, but I wasn't about to give up. So I decided to head over to Majestic City, which was like our second home back in the day. I walked around those shops, taking all the familiar sights and sounds. It was like a stripped down memory lane. Finally, I went to Japansoft. Those guys are amazing, by the way. They checked my old charger, but unfortunately, they didn't have that exact one in stock. I was about to give up hope, but then they suggested another shop, so I went to that store. And there was it. It was a bit pricier than I expected, but I didn't care. I was so happy to found it. I can't wait to use my old laptop and relive all those memories. After I got the charger, I decided to take a break and went to the beach for a bit. It was so peaceful and calming there. I just sat and thought about all those good times I had with that laptop. You know, it's funny how attached we get to our possessions. That laptop might be just machine, but it holds so much sentimental value for me. It's seen me through some tough times and amazing moments too. I think that's why I felt so determined to find a charger. I couldn't just let go of something that's been part of my life for so long. And you know what? It was totally worth it. I feel like I reconnected with a piece of my past. Anyway, thanks for watching my little adventure today. I know it might seem like a small thing, but it means a lot to me. It just goes to show that sometimes the things we cherish the most are the ones that are worth fighting for.